today we're going to talk about taking the extra base. Okay, so we're talking about the ball to the outfield and thinking about getting 2 bases ahead instead of just 1. Okay, so before we get started, anytime we're doing base running, we'll talk about how we base run as a team. So who can describe how we base run as a team? Aggressively. Very nice. Okay, so a lot of people, they get on first. Okay, if they see the ball hit, okay, hit somewhere hard, they're thinking, okay, it's good enough if I get to 2. That is not how we think on this team. Okay, you see a ball hit hard into the outfield that you know is going to get down, we're thinking at least 2 bases ahead. Okay, if not all the way around. Okay, if that ball goes into the gap, okay, when we're playing over there, every field that we have will have a fence. If that ball makes it to the fence and you're on first base, you should be scoring. Okay, but at least get to 3rd. Okay, so we run aggressively. Okay, the other thing that's very important is we run with our head up. Okay, we don't go like this. Okay, we have to know where the ball is, we have to know where the base is at all times. Okay, so we're going to walk through this one together. Okay, we're going to talk about the route you take to try and get around to 3rd most efficiently. Okay, so we've taken our primary lead. Okay, so everyone walk with me on this one. I've taken my secondary. Okay, someone got a nice piece. Okay, we're going to start straight out this way. Okay, just like if we hit a double out of the box, you want to start straight this way. And once we're about 2/3 of the way down, we're going to start angling our body and thinking about touching the inside corner of the base. Doesn't matter which foot I hit the base with. No. Okay, what matters is that we do not break stride. Okay, so whichever foot ends up here, it doesn't matter as long as you don't break stride. Once I'm here, I should be almost in a straight line towards 3rd base. Okay? If we run a good route, we should never slow down and never break stride. And that'll give us the best chance to get here. Okay? There's going to be a play. Whoever's the 3rd base coach at that time will be telling you to get down hard. Okay, slide into the base. Okay, any questions? Okay, we'll jog back over to first. I'll give one quick demo and then we'll roll through